All right, we got the conduit bender, and we got this pipe. I meant to mark it, but I'll just do it on the fly here. 2 inches down, then I'll mark it around, bend it around and mark it right there. Oh yeah, this might go a lot better. All right, I'm gonna cut some of the straight part off of this. Guesstimating, let me figure out where we want it. I'll make these 13 inches. Oh, and I picked 13 just because it's bad luck and this is Krampus. No other reason. If you just want to eyeball it, you can eyeball it. Just give me a frame of reference. Helps if you put all your tools up. I'm just going to mark this one right next to it because I already measured the one. Having a heck of a day here. Old butterfingers. Now what I did up here, I don't know if I hit record or not yet, but I reach in through the tarp here, through the paint cloth, felt roughly where these were at. The head takes some swiveling around till I could feel the areas where I cut the wire out. And then I cut a small X. It's the same thing I'm gonna do here, but this time, maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and add these small pipes I just cut off, because it might help it feel better. Nah, that's gonna be too low. I'm gonna do the same thing, I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna wing it. Just trying to give you a point of reference. Maybe if you had shorter pipes, just want a little left over. See right here, oh, right there, my thumb went in. I can feel it. Do this opposite side first. Pull it up, pinch it. Pull it up, pinch it the other way right in the center and give it a little cut. And there's a small straighter area the way I cut these. So I'm gonna have the straighter area coming back, I think. Let me see how that'll. No, I take that back. I'm gonna put the straight area down in. So it takes some adjusting, so I have to make sure I got it right where I want it. Just one of them. Small slit that way, pinch it up, small slit that way. The straighter edge is going down in first. fabric and everything else kind of gets in the way a little bit. It's tricky. There we go. Nope. I think that looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do here, just to tie this up and under, I've got a long piece of wire here. Well, let's just give you a piece of an idea. More of that tire wire, about 10 inches. I'm gonna bend it in half, sneak it up under this neck. Get one little twist there, and then where we want, like right there. Whatever look you're going for, just loop it back in to hold the form of the hood. I got that where I want it. Make a little U shape here. Right, about there. Punch that through. Not quite in half, I shouldn't have done. Punch it through one way. Punch it through the other. That way your ties are on the inside. Once again, just hiding everything. That. Now I'm going to use the tie wire and tie this to the chicken cage each way around here, up and under, so that you can't see that caging right there. And this is pretty much, I'm going to call this Krampus. If you wanted to mount a face mask to it, like a Krampus mask, I'm personally not going to spend the money on it this year, but wouldn't hurt. It's your ideas, your inspirations. I'm just giving you the framework to start with. You can go anywhere with these. Even if you wanted to jerk this off and put a, I don't know, use the head a little further back, but use a Jeepers Creepers mask and one of his hats and the duster, you could turn this into a Jeepers Creepers, holding a lantern or holding anything. You could do a little body, have it hanging a body, holding a body up on display. What I realized I should be doing is in the areas I want to tie them, just lacing it through. See if I can get it back down to itself. Tying it halfway, giving it one good twist on itself. Then you bring this around, figure out where you're wanting it to land. Poke it through, poke it out, poke it out. Poke it back that way. Same way here. See the way it's relatively going to fall. That way that it stays with the framework. So you change this over from Gatekeepers or Grim Reaper to Krampus. The tie wires are already here to tie everything in place. And then just dress them in. That's it. I'm gonna go set it up. Now I could add some faux rabbit fur around it, and I probably will at some point. But for right now, this is just where we're at. So these things aren't perfect sciences, but they're easy once you're doing them. Except for all these times I poked my fingers. You might want to wear some light gloves when you do this. All right. I'm gonna take this out and get it set up, and I'll get some video and pictures of it finishing out.